As I say in Winnie the Pooh, it's a very blustery day today. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of TASG. The wind is so bad that there's a lot of news sites that have called it hurricane-style gusts. They're like 17 miles per hour. In fact, I'm gonna open up dark sky right now. So wind right now is only 11 miles per hour, but the wind gust is 22. Not quite hurricane style. I don't know why they called it that, but it's gonna feel like that today.
And I know, and wait. And I know,
Alright, we've made our way off world now. We're on Bat 2, trying out a brand new menu item here at Ronto Roasters. It is the Rontoless wrap. I think it's the same price as the regular Ronto wrap. It is a meatless sausage with kimchi and a nice sauce. I don't know what the sauce is, and I also have to try to hide because there's stormtroopers everywhere in the land. Again, if you've been to Batu, you know what I mean. $12.99 credits. Let's give it a shot. There's this guest right now taking pictures, and she has no idea how to interact with stormtroopers. If it were up to me, I'd hide from them. There's something about vegan meats that are very meat-like in nature, i.e. the taste and the texture. And this is on par with all those. I want to do a video on the Impossible Whopper because that's also a very, very good, very well done vegan item. Doesn't this down though? Alright, let's that one was you didn't get a bite of the kimchi, but let's do it here. There's like a tang. You know, you have the crisp bite of the pickle. And the tang just complements the meat very, very well. For $12.99, that's a very good meal. Great for vegans during Lent. That's pretty also good. So you can come on down to the galaxy far, far away and have that. Pretty good food for a really good price. There's another menu item, cinnamon pork rinds. I really want to try that out. I'm gonna try that out soon, but not in this episode. Again, it's a very, very windy day. I just been giving you guys highlights of just it's being extremely windy here in the park. So if you have high allergies, I would suggest just don't go. Don't make yourself sick. Okay, I can feel it coming on right now. But if you are okay with that, or you come prepared, then come by. Have some fun. Anyways, guys, I'm Mark Canterbury. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe for more. We'll be back with another episode soon. Thank you.